Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something from Vite Ramen. This is their 1.2, version 1.2, ladies and gentlemen, of their vegan white miso. And you can get this stuff over at viteramen.com. It's cool stuff. It's like super proteiny and vitamin-y, and it's good for you. Here is the noodle. It smells very peanutty, which I think is kind of cool. All that in there. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. That's all. That's all you gotta do. Is 3 minutes. And then you've got vegetables, and you have the nutrients. Catchy. But yeah, that's got like, it's basically like a protein drink powder thing, but then there's fiber. There's only 500 mils of sodium, so you're probably going to want to add a little bit of salt to it. Works for me. And yeah, yes. So what's going on? Ooh, my headphones are coming today. I can't wait for that. I'm excited. I'm gonna be able to do some coolness with the new headphones, because Miles got my old ones for school, which is fine. I needed new headphones. The cord on mine are the ones, they'll be fine for him, but with all my junk over there, it's like, definitely need a cord. What was I thinking about doing? I said I was gonna do a, that's right. I was ruminating in my brain cavity yesterday after I did the shows, and I was thinking, like, I did mention that I want to do a new Ramen Raider diet video, and I was thinking maybe, I know what I should do, because I do instructional videos from time to time, and one that sounded like a good idea would be, what do you call it? Noodle Identification 101. Because that is a pretty common question I get. So, what is this? How do I cook it? Stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm thinking that may be coming up, because I'll be able to set up the green screen and do all sorts of crap coming up real quick. I could honestly start that now. She's self-contained. All I gotta do is, like, say, here's your tablet. But now we're gonna spend some quality time, which is good. Yeah, Mimi can't wait to start school. This is the 1st of September, and that'll be the 13th of September. And what is it? It's December where you're at. It's funny too, because now I'm getting really far ahead, almost to the point that these episodes will come out the same day as the post on the site, which is not a place I want to be. Yeah, I kind of do, but I don't. That's kind of a pain in the butt. But especially since they come out at 2 p.m. I wouldn't, you know, I'd want them to come out the day before. But we'll see what happens. I like to be able to do like 3 reviews a day when at all possible. I like padding and getting really farther ahead. The more I do in a day, the less of it I eat. I found that works better for me. You're like, how's that possible? No, really. It's kind of the way it goes for me. Alright, so here we go. Here is the large nutrient powder sachet. It's like protein and vitamin and all sorts of good stuff. There's a lot of protein in the noodle as well. Remember they mentioned that. Or you can buy just the noodles. I'm really curious how this is going to be. It's got a nice milky look to it. I'm hopeful. And as always, a nice big grip of veg. lot of time to do a lot of stuff. I'm probably gonna like do a whole new set of music for the show, because I don't know, I do a lot of episodes and I get kind of burnt out on the tunes, and I'm guessing you guys do too. But like this, I'm not really into this music. I just keep trying to find different stuff to check out. Alright, white vegan miso. I will have to admit, this time around, it's definitely got kind of an acrid kind of scent to it. Yeah, I'm getting something off of it. My last soup spoon. All of the other ones are dirty. That actually works though. I have most of the soup spoons I have are from Vite Ramen. They sent me a grip of them, but this one works really well because it's, you know, it's black. It could use something. I'm gonna say I like this Pappy stuff. Gesundheit. You're welcome, sweetie. Yeah, I like this Pappy's garlic herb seasoning. It's pretty darn good. I could use something a little different, but I don't think I will. Just go like sparing at first. But yeah, it says on there if it's not salty enough, add some like soy sauce or a seasoning or something. Technically, I guess I could just add salt. But let's give that a try. I gotta say, and I say it often, I really like these noodles. They're very like whole wheaty, artisanal, just like really, really hearty. Yeah. Just a little something to give it a little bit more saltiness. No, none of that. Out of the kitchen, Mimi. There's hot stuff out here. No hopping around like a goofball. Somebody wants some attention. That's the thing to get them to understand. There's positive attention and there's negative attention. And what you want is the positive attention. Yeah, I was going to use black sesame seed, but I don't like that contrast for this. I want it to be just kind of something like that. And then, of course, Holy Splicer's been hard at work making maple syrup for the pancakes of our land. Not right now. No, I'm not going to sit there and tend YouTube for you at the moment. She wants to watch her Elsa toys, which basically is unboxings of toys from the hit Disney film Frozen. Rated R. No, but you know. That looks good. It's vegan. I thought I would just stick with the vegan. I do have chicken. Center this thing. I have such a hell of a time centering these things. Come on. That looks good. Hey, that looks good. Alright. Potato, do your stuff. Let's have a different song. right, cool. Thanks to the folks over at Vite Ramen, Tim and Tom, for shooting this over. And soon I'll be doing the prototypes of the version 1.3, so that'll be fun. The next one you're gonna see is this Gamoku Yasai Ramen. I think it's basically like a shoyu. So, yeah. Catch you tomorrow. Bye.